Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nells. So today I'm going to be showing you a super powerful and potent hair growth oil that you can make and apply on your hair. So if you experience excessive hair loss, you have hair thinning, baldness, and you want to grow your hair faster, this recipe is for you. So if you enjoy this video and find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. So the first ingredient we have is pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are very beneficial for our hair. They help to stop excessive hair loss. They help to reduce a DHT hormone, which is known to contribute to hair loss. So adding pumpkin seeds to your hair care routine will help to slow down the hair loss and preserve existing hair follicles. So right now I'm going to transfer 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds to a blender, and then I'm going to blend into powder. The next ingredient we have is moringa powder. You guys know that I like using moringa in most of my videos, and I have been using it since the time I started my hair growth journey. This powder is very beneficial. It helps to thicken hair naturally, to reduce hair thinning, and to reduce hair fall. So if you want to reduce all the hair problems you have and stop them completely, then you need to start using ingredient like moringa powder. Moringa is one of my favorite, and also I like to incorporate it with other ingredients. So I went ahead and grabbed myself a bowl, and I'm gonna add my powders, starting off with pumpkin powder. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of each. For the proportion, you can use any amount of the powders. For me, I'm just going to use 2 tablespoons. Once I'm done adding all the powders into the bowl, now I'm going to be adding my chosen oil, and I'm starting by adding my olive oil. I'm gonna add just 3 tablespoons, and I'll also be adding 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Just use any amount of the oil you want and any oil of your choice. Once I'm done adding the ingredients and the oils together, I'm giving it a little bit of stir, and I'll add a little more of the oil. After that, I'm gonna transfer the oil mixture into the boiling water. My water is already boiling on the stove. I will be using a double boiler method. This method is very beneficial because your oil won't lose important nutrients. So I'm just going to keep it here for about 5 to 10 minutes, and I will keep stirring until the ingredients release nutrients into the oil. So I went ahead and removed it from heat and allowed it to cool down for about 1 hour. And as you can see now, I'm straining out to get the oil. I hope you guys are still watching this video up this point, and if so, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So right now I'm going to be adding amla oil. Guys, amla oil is very beneficial for our hair because it helps to increase hair thickness. It helps to combat hair loss and prevent hair thinning and some bald spots. So if you experience that, you need to start using amla. If you don't have amla oil, you can use amla powder instead. So I went ahead and added 3 tablespoons of amla oil, and now I'm mixing everything together. And this is how our hair growth oil is looking like. Just look how dark green it is. So after mixing everything, I'm gonna transfer the oil into the applicator bottle for storage and for easy application. Once the oil is ready, I'm gonna cover it, and next I'm going to be showing you guys how I use on my hair. Just keep watching as I'm going to explain the ways you can use this oil to achieve maximum benefits. First, I'm gonna start applying the oil on my scalp before going to the hair strands. So make sure to apply the oil. You start from the scalp first and then use your fingers to massage the oil so that it can penetrate to your scalp. As you can see now, I'm applying on my scalp and I use my fingers to massage that area a little bit. So when you apply the oil to your scalp, make sure to take time to massage it. Massaging the oil will help to increase blood circulation, and increased blood circulation will help to promote a healthy hair growth. So it is always important to take time to massage the oil on your scalp. So once I'm done applying the oil on my scalp, now I'm going to be applying on my hair strands. I'm pouring some drops of the oil on my hands and then rub it and apply it to my hair strands from the roots as I move towards the ends, and I concentrate mostly on my ends because the ends are the oldest part of the hair, so they need to be taken care of because they are prone to breakage. This oil can be used in many ways. You can use it as a daily scalp and hair serum depending on your hair condition. If your condition is worse, you can use it daily, and if it's not worse, use it 2 to 3 times a week and take time to massage it on your scalp to achieve maximum benefit. Another way you can use the oil is using it as a pre-poo prior to shampooing your hair. Apply it to your hair and scalp and make sure the hair strands are well coated, and after that go ahead and cover your hair with a shower cap for about 30 minutes, and then go ahead and rinse your hair with a shampoo. That way your hair will grow thick and you won't have any issues like hair loss and hair thinning. So once I'm done applying the oil to my scalp and hair, I'm going to be giving my scalp a little bit of massage. I always like to take like 5 to 10 minutes to massage my scalp in order to achieve healthy hair growth. Like I said earlier, massaging your scalp will help to increase blood circulation to your scalp, and increased blood circulation will help to contribute to healthy hair growth and will help to thicken your hair. So we are coming to the end of the video. Thank you so much guys for watching and for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Join the family and also turn on the bell notification so you will always be notified for a new video. Bye, see you in the next.